It's Wednesday, October 16th, 2019. Just doing some trading here and getting in late and looking. I got an entry here to go short. I'm ahead, was at $900 and just looking to capitalize here. And I'm looking for a second line right now. I'm trying to get it right now. Don't have it yet, but you can see this one. These two went short. These two went short. This one was huge. It hasn't even done anything yet. These two went short just for a little bit. These two went long all the way up. These two went long all the way up. These two just went down a little tiny bit, not much. And I'm looking to get the second line right now. I almost have it, not yet. But system working good. System working very good. Okay, I'll come right back. I'm looking to get on the second line here. Got the first one right here, but I'm looking to get the second one. Okay, I've got the second line. It's right here. So if it breaks below that line, it's a short. Since I'm already short, I'll just hold it. I'll come back. Okay, it's starting to move down here. And it's broken below, so we got a short signal here. It's getting it is late here, so I'm just going to take this as one trade here and stop. I'll come back. Okay, the market's moving a bit slow right now. It's 12 o'clock or 12:20 New York time, so it's lunchtime out there in New York. But it's late where I'm at right now. It's pretty late. And I'm just going to call it a day. But you can see the system worked really well. I charted it all out so that you could see it. But I just haven't been able to. I haven't been here to trade. But anyway, you can see it's working good. I'm just going to end it here. I'm up 1,500 right here. Let's see. It'll probably come down a little bit more here. See how slow it's going? It's going pretty slow here. Bouncing back up on me a little bit. I'll give it a few more minutes. Okay, it's coming down here. I'm going to use this as a chance to get out right here. I've got like 1,600 in it here. And I'll go ahead and get out here. Okay, I'm out 1,500. And I'm just going to call it a day here. I didn't get much trading in, but it's late now, so I don't want to do any more trading. Anyway, I'm all done for the day. But you can see, working good. I should have held on to it, came down a bit more. But system working good, just as it always does. Long signal, short signal right there, didn't go very far. This one still hasn't even broken, I don't think. Short signal here, short signal here, short signal here. 3 short signals in a row. 1, 2, 2 long signals right there. So not bad. This one didn't go very far. This one didn't go very far. So, but not too bad though. Not a great day, but not too bad of a day either. Anyway, I'm all done for today. Today's Wednesday. I'll be back tomorrow on Thursday to do some more trading. See you tomorrow.